THK's creative ideas and unique technology made the company worldwide pioneers in the development of the linear motion guide mechanism. Today, our LM guide devices are an indispensable component of mechanical and electronic systems in a wide variety of industries. THK has broadened their network into the railway industry, where we are supplying our flagship products for smooth client orientation, more functionality, and increased accuracy. THK provide complete assembly consist of both linear and rotational moment wherein LM guide, all for smooth and accurate linear motion. Also THK ball screw all for the smooth and high efficiency feed screw with the ball making a rolling motion between the screw axis and the nut. This complete mechanism consists of smooth linear moment. It significantly contributes to the development of high precision, high rigidity, energy saving, high-speed machines with long service lives. This mechanism consists of linear and circular motion where LM guide for smooth and accurate linear motion, Model HCR LM guide for accurate circular motion, and ball screw give smoothness and high efficiency. For more information please do contact SEIMITSU Factory Automation is an authorized distributor of THK India Pvt Limited.